Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dee and I am here today with another hair tutorial for you ladies and gents. So this video is going to be about this individual crochet, I guess you could say individual crochet braid hairstyle. I wanted to do like some chunky twists, and I wanted to do something that would actually be very quick and easy for me to do. So this is what this video is about. I will share with you guys the hair that I ordered. I purchased it from a, I can't remember the actual website, but I'll put it in the description box. But the hair that I purchased is from the brand Afri Naptural. And it is a really good hair. You can see I'm going to insert the video of the hair, but it looks like this. So the brand is Afri Naptural, and I did purchase this from an online website. I will put it in the description box if you're interested. But it's the 3X I Define Easy Knotless Braid hair. It's in 52 inches. The hair is packaged in 3 individual bundles, and in each bundle you have the pre-divided, pre-stretched, itch-free hair, and it definitely does not itch, so that is definitely a true statement. The hair is tangle-free. It did tangle a few times, but that was just user error, so I would definitely say that this hair is tangle-free. If you are accustomed to doing braids on your hair, then this will be definitely an easy style for you to do, and if this is your first time doing it as well, it'll also be easy for you to complete. So with this hair, they give a recommendation of what your thickness would look like if you use 1, 2, or 3 strands of the hair. For this particular style, since I wanted the jumbo braids, I decided to use 5 braids, 5 pieces of hair for each braid, and I have a total of 22 braids. This is what the hair looks like once it is out of the packaging. It's very soft to the touch, and it's just a good braiding hair overall. I don't have any negative things to say about the hair. This is my honest opinion. This is not sponsored, and again, this was my first time doing it, so considering this was a first time experience, I definitely think it was a good hair to work with. So if you are interested in the hair, like I said before, I'll leave it in the description box. I'll put the name down there as well, and you can just type it into Google, honestly, and buy from anywhere. The hair that I purchased, I think it was $6 a bag, and then I think shipping was $8. So it didn't cost much at all for me to go ahead and do this style, which I like. I love things that are inexpensive and easy to do, so this was right up my alley. Supply store. I went in my area to probably 3 or 4 beauty supply stores, and they didn't have it in any of them, so keep that in mind. I did have to order it, so you may not want to wait till the last minute because they may not have it in stock at the local beauty supply store. So far, I wanted to do this video a bit different. So right now with my hair, this has actually been in my hair almost 2 weeks. Normally when I do my hair tutorials, I go ahead and show you guys right what it looks like as soon as I'm finished. I'll kind of jazz myself up and show you guys what this hair tutorial or what this look ends up looking like. But for this video, I thought, let me wear the hair for a little bit so I can give you my honest opinion of what I feel and what I like about the hair in this hairstyle in particular. So I'm not going to ramble and go into those details yet. I do want you guys to get an opportunity to see how I did it, and then I'll come back and kind of give you my final thoughts. So if you are interested in watching this video, please go ahead and continue watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Again, let's go ahead and get into the video, and I will talk to you guys at the end. Okay, so this is where we are starting. I went ahead and parted my hair off camera. You guys, I am not the best at parting, especially by myself. My sister was not available to help me part my hair, so I had to do this on my own, and I just did not feel like having to deal with a camera as well. But besides the point, this is what the braiding pattern looks like. I did just large rectangle or square shaped boxes in my hair. And again, as you can see, I parted them fairly large just because I wanted the jumbo braid look. And so I'm using the same things that I used on my last hair tutorial, which is the Shine Jam, the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream. I love that moisturizer for my hair. And then I'm using the crochet needle that you definitely need when you are doing your crochet braid styles or twist or whatever you're using. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking off 5 pieces of hair. Remember at the beginning of the video I said that I was going to be using 5 pieces of hair for each braid. Now when you get ready to actually do your hair, you only want to use 3 of them for the first time and then pull them through, and then the second time I actually pull in the last 2 pieces, and it's just because the hair is a bit too thick to have it go through all 5 at the same time, and so I just split it in 3 and then 2. So that's basically what you're gonna see here. And then also keep in mind what I'm doing is I pulled it through, and then you want to kind of hold one side of the hair, and then but not too tight because you basically want to crochet the hair through. And the part that has kind of like the rubber band, you want that to be underneath your actual braided hair. So that's what I did once you saw me kind of pull it back towards the front of my head, is because I wanted to make sure that the rubber band part was underneath the braided hair so that it would show through. So again, I'm going to take the 2 pieces of hair and then I'm going to crochet that hair through the braid, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the actual braiding of my hair and also with the crochet hair. So as you all know, I love doing these hairstyles because I learn different things as I go, and then I also am able to record the videos and then kind of tell you all what to do and what not to do. So one of the things that I realized when doing this crochet style is to make sure that you do not braid your hair too far down. My real hair is braided down, probably looking at this about 2 inches. I would actually say just braid it down only about an inch, because it's more difficult to try and cover up that braid when you're trying to go ahead and braid it. So again, I braided my hair way too far down, so don't do that when you are going in to do your crochet. Only braid your hair down just about an inch. And again, the only reason you braid it anyway is to make sure that you have your hair is stable and the crochet hair is not going to fall out. So the braiding your natural hair is kind of works as an anchor, and so that is the way that the crochet hair is able to stay in. And so after I do that, I literally just go through a 3-strand braid and I just braid it all the way down. At some point you are going to have to borrow hair from another side, and that's just to make sure that you have the same thickness in the entire braid. And as you can see, I was happy with myself, you guys, because I did not know if this was going to work, but I knew I was going to try it. And so yes, I said, okay, I can do this. I'm going to get to do all of this hair and it's gonna look good. After I did that first one, I had the confidence and I was like, yes, I'm actually gonna do this. So try it out, don't be afraid, just take your time and you'll be able to get it too. I got to the other side of my hair, as you can see, I've literally braided my entire head almost. I think I only at this point had about 3 braids left. I got the bright idea to try and crochet the hair in a different direction, and yes, this worked. Just watch and see. I crocheted the 3 braids in, just going straight, just like I did at the beginning. But then the second set of crochet hair that I braided in, I decided to take the crochet needle, not going straight across, but kind of going up and down. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the hair and then pull it through. And basically what this did was allowed me to cover my hair so much easier, because the crochet hair was braided, the crochet hair was pulled through in this direction. So it literally just pulling the hair down, as you can see here, it all just covers my real hair. And so that helped so much with creating the braid. So definitely when I do this style again, I will be using that technique when I decide to go ahead and put in the hair. So I'll put one set of hair going in like left to right, and then the other set of hair will be going in kind of from top to bottom, if that makes sense. So definitely try that out first if you decide to do this hairstyle and not the way that I did it at the beginning. But regardless, you can do it either way and see which one works best for you. So that's just another tip that I wanted to give you guys.
You fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Just
time doing this type of crochet method on my hair. I've never tried to do chunky braids or anything like that. I've done the twist with the crochet method on my hair a few times, but I've never done this actual braiding, this just like chunky braid twist, right? So I definitely think it came out well to me, considering it was my first time. I did have a bit of a few hiccups, but that was just not because of the hair, that was just because of user error. Because I will say, even if you are a beginner, you should actually be able to do this style. You just have to take your time. I'm sure if you are used to doing braids on your hair, it'll go much quicker than it did for me. It took me about 3 hours to do this style beginning to end, and like I said, it went fairly quick considering that I was this is my first time doing it. So no, the braids are not perfect. I also struggled a bit with trying to blend my hair. I will say this is not a style that you're going to keep in your hair for, you know, 6 weeks. I think that because these are chunky braids, they are going to what I've noticed is they kind of, your hair gets frizzier quicker. You know, you probably want to keep your hair like this for probably about 3 weeks. Again, it depends on the type of hair texture you have. You know, if you do have relaxed hair, or if you have a bit you know, hair that's not as kinky as mine, it may last a little bit. Then if you, and also if you just like the frizzy look and you don't care about it looking frizzy, again, you can keep your hair in longer as well. I'm not gonna leave it in that long just because I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see me do any other styles. Please keep in mind, I cannot cornrow my hair. I am in the I need help squad because I'm a black girl that cannot cornrow, and I've tried and I just don't have it yet, y'all. So if you have any suggestions, or if you want to see me do any styles that do not require you to cornrow your hair, then let me know in the comment box and I will try and get a video out with it. But if you have made it to the end of the video, again, my name is Dee, and on my channel here I do a lot of hair tutorials, but that's not the only thing you're gonna get on my channel. You also will see some cleaning motivation, home decor, you know, kind of a little bit of everything. You know, you can get anything on this channel. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.